I spent the last 7 days testing 10 of the most powerful AI tools on the internet. Some of them felt like having an entire team working for me, but others were honestly completely useless. And one AI tool near the end of this video saved me more time than all the others combined. So in this video, I'm going to show you which AI tools are actually worth using and which ones you should skip. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence is evolving incredibly fast. Every week, new AI tools promise to help you work faster, automate tasks, and save hours of time. But the problem is simple. There are now thousands of AI tools online, and most people don't know which ones are actually useful. So instead of guessing, I decided to test them. For the next 7 days, I used 10 AI tools for real work. Writing content, researching topics, editing videos, designing graphics, and organizing projects. Some tools made my workflow dramatically faster, but others created more problems than they solved. Let's start with the first one. Tool number 10 is Canva AI. Canva has always been one of the easiest design tools on the internet, but the new AI features make it even more powerful. During the test, I used Canva AI to create YouTube thumbnails, social media graphics, and presentation slides. Normally, designing a thumbnail might take 20 or 30 minutes, but with Canva AI, I simply typed a prompt. Create a YouTube thumbnail about AI productivity. Within seconds, Canva generated multiple design options. Some of them actually looked better than my own designs. The biggest advantage is speed. You don't need design skills. You just describe what you want. The AI helps generate the design, but there are some downsides. Sometimes the designs look very similar, and advanced customization still requires manual editing. Overall, after testing it for 7 days, I would rate Canva AI 8 out of 10. But the next AI tool made writing content much faster. Tool number 9 is Copy AI. Copy AI focuses on marketing content generation. During my test, I used it to create email campaigns, product descriptions, and social media captions. For example, I asked the AI to generate a short promotional email. Within seconds, it created 5 different versions. Some of them were average, but a few sounded surprisingly professional. This makes Copy AI a great brainstorming tool, especially if you struggle with writing marketing content. The biggest advantage is speed, but there is a downside. Many AI outputs still need editing before they're ready to publish. So Copy AI is helpful, but it's not perfect. After 7 days of testing, I would rate it 7 out of 10. But the next AI tool saved me more time than I expected. Tool number 8 is Krisp AI. This tool solves a very specific problem: background noise during calls. If you work remotely or attend online meetings, you've probably experienced this. Dogs barking, keyboard typing, street noise. Krisp AI removes these sounds automatically. During my test, I used Krisp during several video meetings, and the difference was immediately noticeable. My voice sounded clear, and background noise disappeared. It works with apps like Zoom, Teams, and Discord. The only limitation is that the free version has usage limits. But overall, it works extremely well. I would rate Krisp AI 8 out of 10. But the next tool made researching information dramatically faster. Tool number 7 is Perplexity AI. Think of this tool as Google combined with artificial intelligence. Instead of showing a list of websites, it gives direct answers with sources. During my experiment, I used it for researching video topics. For example, I searched for fast-growing AI startups. Instead of opening 10 different websites, Perplexity summarized the information instantly, and it showed where the information came from. This saved a lot of research time. The biggest advantage is speed, but sometimes the answers simplify complex topics. Still, for research tasks, this tool is incredibly useful. After 7 days of testing, I would rate Perplexity AI 9 out of 10. But the next AI tool completely changed how I organize ideas. Tool number 6 is Notion AI. If ChatGPT feels like an assistant, Notion AI feels like a second brain. During my experiment, I used Notion to organize video ideas, research notes, and project plans. The AI feature made this much faster. I pasted a messy page of brainstorming notes. Then I asked the AI to summarize and organize everything. Within seconds, it created structured sections and bullet points. This is incredibly useful for productivity. The only challenge is that new users may need some time to learn how Notion works. But once you understand it, it becomes a powerful tool. After 7 days of testing, I would rate Notion AI 8.5 out of 10. Before we continue, I have a quick question. Which AI tool from this list would you try first? Let me know in the comments. And now let's move on to something really interesting. AI video editing. Tool number 5 is Runway ML. Runway ML is an AI platform designed for video creators. It allows you to do things like remove video backgrounds, generate effects, and even create videos from prompts. During my test, I tried the background removal feature. Normally this requires a green screen, but Runway ML removed the background automatically. The results were surprisingly good. This can save creators a lot of editing time. The only downside is that some advanced features require a paid plan. Still, it's an incredibly powerful tool. After testing it for a week, I would rate Runway ML 8.5 out of 10. But the next tool made presentations incredibly easy. Tool number 4 is Tome AI. This tool can generate entire presentations from a simple prompt. For example, I typed, "Create a presentation about the future of artificial intelligence." Within seconds, Tome AI generated slides with text, layouts, and images. This can save hours of work, especially for students and professionals who frequently create presentations. However, the slides still require some editing to look perfect. Even so, the time savings are impressive. After testing it for 7 days, I would rate Tome AI 8 out of 10. But the next AI tool completely blew my mind. Tool number 3 is ElevenLabs. This platform creates extremely realistic AI voices. I tested it by generating narration for a short video script. The result sounded shockingly human. If you didn't know it was AI, you might think it was recorded by a real voice actor. This makes ElevenLabs incredibly useful for YouTube narration, audiobooks, and podcasts. The only limitation is that the free version has usage limits. Still, the technology is impressive. After testing it for 7 days, I would rate ElevenLabs 9 out of 10. But the next tool might be the most useful one on this list. Tool number 2 is ChatGPT. This AI works like a super intelligent assistant. During the experiment, I used ChatGPT for brainstorming ideas, writing outlines, and summarizing research. The biggest advantage is speed. Instead of spending 30 minutes thinking about ideas, ChatGPT generated them instantly. Of course, sometimes the responses are generic. But when used properly, this tool can save a lot of time. After testing it for a week, I would rate ChatGPT 9 out of 10. But the final tool saved me more time than anything else. Tool number 1 is Descript. Descript completely changes how video editing works. Instead of editing clips manually, Descript converts your video into text. Then you edit the video by editing the transcript. If you delete a sentence from the text, that section disappears from the video. This makes editing incredibly fast. It also includes automatic captions and screen recording. For content creators, this tool can dramatically reduce editing time. After 7 days of testing, I would rate Descript 9.5 out of 10. After testing these AI tools for 7 days, a few stood out the most. My top recommendations are Descript, ChatGPT, Perplexity AI, and ElevenLabs. These tools delivered the biggest productivity improvements. Artificial intelligence is improving incredibly fast, and the people who learn to use these tools now will have a huge advantage in the future. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more AI content. And I'm curious, which AI tool surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you want, I can test 20 more AI tools in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.